Welcome to RILICO, where innovation meets quality. Today, we are introducing the science and innovation behind our groundbreaking RILICO PP Plastic Plywood. In the realm of construction materials, plastic and wood have traditionally been incompatible. At RILICO, we've pioneered a method to seamlessly bond plastic to wood, creating a product that redefines industry standards. Our technology draws inspiration from nature, specifically the way tree bark clings to the trunk. This principle led us to innovate a three-step process for laminating plastic to plywood. First, we punch holes into the plywood. This step not only prepares the surface for plastic infusion, but also acts as an initial quality test, identifying any defects in the plywood. Next, we melt high-strength PP plastic and pour it onto the prepared plywood surface. This premium plastic ensures durability and longevity. Then, we apply pressure to push the melted plastic into the holes. As the plastic cools from 220 degrees Celsius to 50, it contracts, creating a strong bond with the wood fibers. During the cooling process, any defects in the plywood are revealed, as the contraction force will cause any weak points to delaminate. This rigorous testing ensures only the highest quality plywood passes through our production line. The result is a durable, reliable, and high-performance plywood, perfect for a variety of construction applications. RILICO PP Plastic Plywood offers unparalleled durability, reusability, and environmental consciousness. Join the construction revolution with RILICO PP Plastic Plywood. With over 44 years of excellence, RILICO, the inventor of PP plastic plywood and Faurecia formwork systems, stands as a pioneer in the plywood industry. Trusted in 54 countries by over 240 customers and counting, RILICO delivers unmatched product quality, service integrity, and environmental sustainability. Experience the RILICO difference in every project. RILICO, your trusted global plywood supplier and manufacturer. Contact us today.